China's Yellow River Protection Law officially enters into force on April 1st this year. The law is expected to bring strong impetus to the ecological protection and high-quality development of the Yellow River Basin. Zhang Zhisong is one of the many forest rangers hired by Ruicheng County, Shanxi Province, to plant and protect trees along the Yellow River. In 2022, Ruicheng added a total area of 11,000 mu of forest.
6月15开始种了1万多棵树，种的有红叶梨，有雪松，准备干到5月份。小时候这个环境很恶劣，到处都是这飞沙走石了，空气很恶劣，有沙尘暴。自从它吃腐以后，到处都是绿油油的，鸟啊来了是空气好啊。
The Yellow River, over 5,400 kilometers long, is known as a mother river in China and the cradle of Chinese civilization. It supplies water to 12% of China's population and irrigates 17% of the country's arable land. Since ancient times, Chinese people have struggled against the flooding of the Yellow River, and conservation of the river has always been high on the country's agenda. In recent years, Dongying in Shandong Province has implemented a dozen ecological restoration projects related to the Yellow River.
我们不断加强森林湿地保护修复，提高生物生存环境承载力，谋划实施全域湿地保护修复，累计修复湿地20.65万亩，计划用10年的时间建设规划面积31.5万亩的炎黄生态长廊。
In recent years, the Yellow River Delta National Nature Reserve in Dongying has invested 1.37 billion yuan in 17 wetland restoration projects to improve biodiversity.
鸟类从自然保护区设立初期的187种增加到373种，其中国家一级保护鸟类25种，国家二级保护鸟类65种，有38种鸟类的数量超过其全球总量的1%。
The Yellow River, which was once plagued by soil erosion, has seen steady progress in the rebuilding of its ecological environment. Thanks in part to increased afforestation, the soil and water conservation rate in the basin increased from 41.49% in 1990 to over 67% in 2021.